What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a simple collision and physics rug in Blender, and it's pretty simple. Really, first we'll just add a sphere. We'll bring that up, and then go ahead and add a plane. Scale it up just a little bit, and then bring it above, and then if you really want, we can get into how to texture it in a second. If you want it to look like an actual rug or something, or you could really anything. So click on the sphere, and over here add a modifier, add collision, and then click on the plane, go to modifiers, add cloth. Oh, what did I just do? I don't know what happened, but I hope that doesn't occur for you. So just click on the tab key, which will put us into edit mode. Go ahead and right click and then click subdivide, and then do it one more time just to make it look good. And then exit out of that, and you can see if you press play, you have a very choppy looking render. So just to fix that, just click Control 3 right here. What did I do? To do it here. Yeah, go back into edit mode and then do it. There we go. So really just go back into edit mode and then do Control 3. Then while selecting both of them. Then there you have it. A very realistic looking carpet looking thing. Whatever you could use it for. And now if you want to put it into holding Z, put it into material preview, or select it up here. Click on the plane, go to shading, and then we're just gonna find like the image of a rug, like a flat image like this with the whole thing. If it's not exactly the whole thing, you could like crop it if you want, but I'm gonna use this. Go ahead and save the image. Carpet. Then hop back into Blender. You could do it from there, but I'm just gonna show you here. Add. Oh yeah, before you add the carpet, actually, you're gonna first want to select a material. There's already one in there. If there's not, it should be good. And then add the carpet, and you see it's right here, carpet JPEG. And then just connect the color to the base color of that. And then there, look, you can see it, perfect. Usually, you could go to UV editing, select it. Don't do this, but you could select it, rotate it. But like, it actually ended up perfect, and I don't even need to do anything. See this? Perfect. And then under shading, you could increase and decrease the roughness just for the for the material, and then drop. There you have it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, if I even make one. If you want more stuff like this, I could definitely make that as long as I know how to do it. And yeah, see ya.